Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapan Madre and welcome to your pick a card reading. We are going to see today how your week is going to be ahead. So we are going to do your angel cards and tarot cards. So for today's pick a card, we have three options. Option number one is this clear quartz crystal. Option number two is this unakite crystal. And option number three is angelite crystal. In case if you're confused and you do not know which pile you should choose, do not worry. You can take 3 pieces of paper. In each piece of paper, write 1, 2 and 3 number. Just say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how my coming week is going to be, and pick up one piece of paper. Whatever number is mentioned in the piece of paper, that's your pile. So if it's number 3, then you need to watch this particular pile. Alright guys, so let's get started. Hi pile number 1. So all those of you have chosen this beautiful clear quartz crystal. A lot of clarity is going to come in your life in the week ahead. Your intuition and creativity is also going to be high. Ensure that you are hydrated. So let's see your tarot cards. All right. Let's see the blessings coming your way in the week ahead. Message regarding your health. Let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Oops, I shook the camera button. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Let's see what changes are going to come in your life in the week ahead. Let's see message from Archangel Michael regarding the week ahead. Let's see a love message. And last, let's see a message regarding your finances. Okay. So let's see your first tarot card. All right. 3 of Swords. So yes, the week ahead there are going to be some disappointments. There would be something which may just take you off balance. You are going to spend time writing down your thoughts, your feelings, or something which you had written before, like maybe to an ex or something may just pop up, or it may so happen that you may get to know something about a past person, and that may really make you feel disappointed and the hurt that they caused you. All right, so let's see the next card. The King of Wands. However, you are not going to let this hurt affect you. you will get over it and you will start spending your time strategizing. You'll also take help of someone who is, and who is going to be your mental support, and who is going to tell you, hey, yes, whatever happened was bad, but now time to focus on growing ahead, time to move on, time to ensure that you are aware of your strength rather than focusing on what went wrong. All right, that's your next card. The Eight of Pentacles. Wow, this is so amazing. So you will listen to the advice given to you by this person, and you will start focusing on your skill set. You will be like, let bygones be bygones. Let me take the guidance and move ahead, and let me start working on my skills, or let me start presenting my skills to others. Also, if I see the overall card reading, even if there is a disappointment, I do see career wise you growing, you getting appreciation. I also see you, especially the ones who are in the field of teaching and communication, expect the week ahead to be good with regards to work. Yes, there would be some personal issue that you will face, which may make you feel a little bit upset, but you are one of those person who will bounce back. Okay, you will bounce back and will be like, let me just handle this and move on, and let me focus on my priorities. So yes, I do see help. I'm also hearing that some of you are going to cook something very exotic in the week ahead. I also feel that you're going to spend a lot of time writing down your feelings, or maybe some of you are going to take some course or a workshop in which they will help you to handle your feelings, your emotions, is also what I'm getting. Strategy planning is going to be of importance in the week ahead. Okay, let's see your finances. Do the work. So very clearly, as I said with this particular card, okay, do the work and just let go. Your work will pull the right kind of clients to you, the right kind of opportunities to you. Just focus on your work, and you will see the abundance flowing towards you. All right. Also, it will be a good idea if you prioritize what kind of what work is important, which needs your immediate attention, and accordingly finish your work. But yes, abundance will come if you take steps towards your dreams. All right, let's see the love life. Rekindle the passion. Try something you have never done before. So if you're single, then you should try maybe some sort of an app or some other way of finding the one, or dating someone, or meeting someone new, something which you not done before. Or if you have if there's a social account and you have not added someone because maybe you missed seeing them or something, just scroll through, okay, and try doing something different. Also, you need to create that passion towards life. What has happened is some of you have been so disappointed in your love life that you have just been focusing on how it has not worked. So rather than trying the same old methods and it not working, why not approach something which is different? Okay, maybe a different app, maybe speak to some friends and see if they know someone with whom you can go on a date. The ones who are in a relationship or married, yes, you need to spend some good quality time together, and you need to stop taking your partner for granted. If you feel your partner is taking you for granted, then spend some time recreating the old moments and trying to reignite the spark. And once you do that, you can communicate to your partner how it would be a good idea and how amazing you will feel if your partner starts noticing the things that you do and stops taking you for granted. So rekindle the passion. Let's see what message Archangel Michael has for you. New beginnings and a fresh start. So some of you who were scared of this Three of Swords situation, understand that there is going to be new opportunities, new beginnings. So the old has to go for the new to come in. Okay, I'm also hearing that some of you may get your menstrual cycle, the ones who are in that age frame. Okay, not all of you, some of you. Okay, so there is going to be new opportunities coming your way, and you need to kind of believe that Archangel Michael is sending these opportunities to you. Be open to receiving. Okay, and there is a fresh start clearly with the Three of Swords here. If you see this card, this three tarot cards that you had, even this clearly said that let go of your old, work on the present, and create new opportunities. Let's see what new changes are coming your way. Keep the faith. So, this is so beautiful. So, even if there is a situation which may test your faith, don't let it shake your faith. Okay, keep your faith intact and unshakable. Understand that at times certain things don't work the way we want to, because the divine has something better to offer us than what we have asked for. Now let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Surrender, denial. So see this Three of Swords situation again. You have been denying. Okay, there's a lot of denial happening. Maybe you are not seeking the help that you should be seeking. So stop denying, okay, and just let go. All right, calm yourself down, and when you are able to look at things from a fresh perspective, start paying attention to it. You need to remove the blindfold that you have put on your eyes. Okay, let's see how you need to take care of yourself. Hydrate. So drink a lot of water, and I will be sharing a video with all of you how you can bless water, food and medicines. So you can have a look at that and drink the water so that the water is blessed. But keep yourself hydrated. Don't dehydrate yourself, or don't drink too much water. Have a balance in your hydration levels, guys. Let's see what your health message is telling us. Second opinion. So over here, this cards is telling you that it would be a good idea to just not go ahead with one opinion, all right, and take another opinion, or another, take as many opinions as you want to, but just don't go by what one person is telling you. For example, if you feel that you want to be fit, and somebody is telling you that why don't you follow this particular diet, okay, so and you feel that I'm not comfortable with this particular diet, all right, and the nutritionist that you have gone to is telling you that you have to follow this diet, then approach another nutritionist and see if that particular nutrition diet that this nutritionist is offering you, is that something that you're comfortable with. So take another opinion, okay, where your health is concerned, but take expert opinion. Let's see the blessing coming your way. A blessing of peace after battle. So there have been struggle, okay, you have been going back and forth regarding something, and you have been really so much energy of yours have gone in this entire drama. So this entire battle will end this week, and you will get the peace that you are looking at. So overall, yes, your cards, if this Three of Swords apart, the entire week looks amazing, and this Three of Swords is also important so that you will go within and understand your true worth. All right, don't let anything define you, okay, nothing can define you, all right, you are amazing, you are awesome, no matter what situation you are in, no matter what everybody else is telling you, okay, you're God's amazing creation, remember that always. All right, group 1, this was your cards. This were your cards, and I hope you enjoyed your reading. Take care. Bye-bye. Have an amazing week ahead. Hello, group 2. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine. So let's see how your week ahead is going to be. So you have chosen this beautiful crystal of Unakite. So yes, you're going to get a lot of visions, a lot of dreams you're going to get, which is going to give you there will be certain important visions that you will have in your dream, which is kind of going to give you answer regarding certain situations in your life. Also, maybe some of you are trying to conceive, or you're already pregnant. So there would be a connect with your child, maybe via your dreams. All right, so let's see your cards. We'll first see your tarot cards. Right. Let's see how you need to take care of yourself in the week ahead. How should you nurture yourself? Let's see what you need to surrender. Let's see the changes coming in your life in the week ahead. Let's see Archangel Michael's message. Let's see a love message. Somebody's heart is skipping for a crush. All right. Interesting. Let's see message regarding your love life. Oh, sorry, message regarding your finances. Let's see message regarding your health. All right, and let's see the blessings coming your way. Okay, so now let's see your cards. 10 of Swords. So in the week ahead, be careful because somebody may try and backstab you. Ensure that you are taking the support that you need. Ask for help if whenever you feel that okay, I am in a situation wherein I may need help. So ensure that you are taking proper help. Okay. Also, somebody's truth is going to come out and set you free. Okay, so that's going to happen. Some of you may have backache, so take care of your back. Don't hurt yourself, especially while doing work around your home. Just ensure that you are taking care of your back. All right, now let's see the next card. Ace of Wands. So wow, there is going to be a new beginning. There is going to be a lot of creativity happening in the week ahead. You are going to be fully charged. Okay, you would feel, you will feel like, hey, let me do this, let me read this. You are also going to spend a lot of time doing creative activities, something that you always wanted to do, but you did not have time to do. So you may take up something or one of those activities, or you may watch a lot of content on the internet regarding a particular creative activity that you always wanted to pursue. I also see that a lot of knowledge transfer, knowledge gaining happening in the week ahead. So let's see your next card. The Hierophant. I just said with this, a lot of knowledge happening. So yes, you are going to spend the weekend learning a lot of things. Next week you will, especially some of you will undertake spiritual activities. You will do some sort of spiritual rituals as well. Some of you are going to do some sort of inner work. It could be meditation, it could be listening to good sound healing music on various YouTube channels, or listening to podcasts. Okay. So when I look at your cards in the beginning of the week, yes, there will be somebody who may try to backstab you. But however, even if this person tries to backstab you, you are going to get up and you are going to be like, you know what, even if you try to pin me down, I will rise up. I will rise up like a phoenix. And you can clearly see in this, okay? And you will be like, I will use my creative skills. I will use my abilities to create something new and absolutely wonderful. All right. And once you do that, you will be able to also, take this entire transition, whatever the lessons that you have learned in this transition, you are going to help others, okay? Help others with this knowledge, with this experience of yours, okay, that you will be having in the beginning of the week. But yes, a lot of spiritual rituals taking place, especially with candles. And I also feel that some of you are going to listen to a lot of meditation, guided meditation content on YouTube is what I'm getting. But yes, new beginnings for sure in the week ahead. Now let's see what blessings are coming your way. A blessing for healing of injury or illness. So, over here, as I said, some of you may, there is a probability of injury. So, however, see, the blessing coming your way is that you will be careful. Okay, you are going to ensure that you're going to be more careful in the week ahead, and you will not take you will not walk fast, or when you're doing some activities around the house, you are going to be careful, because you will get an intuition regarding it. But yes, there is going to be healing happening in the week ahead. Let's see your health card. Stretch. So this particular card, and when I look at this card, okay, it's important that you move your body. Okay, you can do it either via yoga. Okay, maybe you can join an yoga or an online yoga class, or you may take up some sort of Pilates class, so that there is a movement in your body, because that's important. Okay, that's really, really important. Now let's see message regarding your finances. Partnership. So there is going to be some sort of offer coming in your way, like a collaboration, and this collaboration will give you a good amount of money. I also feel that some of you may get an offer to teach something to someone. All right, and if you have the rights to do so, then go ahead. Okay. Let's see your love message. Regret. So over here, I feel that somebody in your past betrayed you really badly, okay, and that betrayal is still affecting your sense of security. Your root chakra, okay, is imbalanced, and you tend to feel insecure, especially when it comes to relationships. You're not able to trust people. You feel that, what if I trust this person and this person betrays me? So that a feeling, so there's a constant feeling, okay, of fear, of lack of trust. So this card is telling you that whoever this person was who betrayed you is feeling a lot of regret for the way they treated you, and they feel that they were lucky to have you, and they should have not taken you for granted, and they should have not let you go. Let's see Archangel Michael's message. Innocence. Okay, so Archangel Michael is telling you that you look at your life with love. Okay, don't sit and judge anything, don't sit and dissect things. Just look at situation and people with compassion. Okay, with compassion, that would really help you to gain a new perspective. Let's see what changes are coming. Realizations and epiphanies. So there is going to be, with the Hierophant card, not surprising, there is going to be a lot of, your intuition, your dreams, lot of they're going to really guide you, the visions that you're going to see. And you had chosen the Una card, so lot of inner work, as I said, is going to happen. And this inner work is going to let lot of make you realize lot of things, make you understand certain things from a very different perspective. Let's see what you need to surrender. Surrender frustration. So yes, when we are frustrated, we are not able to think straight. We start looking at everything with lack of hope, lack of faith, anger, and we just feel that everything is just over. All right, so it's important that, see, frustration does not really solve anything, but it just affects our blood pressure. So the coming week, surrender your frustrations and look at everything from a very calm point of view, and it will really help you. Let's see what your self-care card is telling us. Use your hands and look at this. You got the Ace of Wands. So the week ahead, you are a creative person. So why not pick up that activity that you used to do before? That will really, really help you to feel more zen-like and make you calm as well. So group 2, this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye-bye. Hello group 3, how are you guys doing? So all those of you who have chosen this beautiful angelite crystal, angels are with you very strongly in the week ahead, and there is going to be lot of connection with the angels happening in the week ahead, through numbers, through butterflies, through rainbows. So your connect is going to be really beautiful in the week ahead. Now let's see what your tarot and angel cards are telling us. Let's see, message regarding your finances. Let's see what you need to surrender. Is it one card or two cards? Oh, two cards. Okay, so we'll take both the cards. Message regarding your health. Changes coming your way in the week ahead. Archangel Michael's message. A love message. Blessings coming your way. And let's see. Oops. A moment, please. So sorry. Yeah. The card just fell. I think you guys are skipping on self-care. Okay, you need to give time to yourself, guys. Okay, so let's see message regarding how you can nurture yourself in the week ahead. All right, so let's see your cards. Wow, even group 2 got the same card. So yes, there is going to be a lot of new beginnings coming in your life in the week ahead. You are going to take up some sort of a project which will require your creative skills. You are going to be full of energy and enthusiasm. You are going to put your mind to a project which is very close to your heart, and you're going to create magic. Some of you will also work with Reiki and candle magic to manifest your dreams and desires. That's your next card. Knight of Wands. So a lot of movement happening in the week ahead. It could be literal travel. I know we are in pandemic, so not all of us are going to travel, but some of us will travel. And I also feel that there is going to be somebody full of enthusiasm who is going to help you out. And interestingly, you have got 2 wand cards. So a lot of action and adventure in the week ahead. Maybe you're going to spend a lot of time watching and reading content which is based on action, adventure. That's your next card. Oh my god, all cards are wands. So you are going to do so much of creative work. You're going to take so much of action that don't burn yourself out in this whole process. Okay, ensure that you take proper break, because I do see stress because of being overworked. Okay, in the week ahead, delegate wherever you can. Delegate, just take help. All right. And yes, there is going to be a lot of work, but there is also success. I feel that some of you may get you may feel your head being heavy, and you may feel really tired and exhausted, but because of all this action and adventure, it's not surprising. So take care of yourself, see a doctor if you feel, or a counselor if you feel really burnt out, and physically you're feeling very, very stressed. Okay, but overall I see the week ahead is going to be amazing, full of opportunities and lots of work. Okay, let's see your next card as to what the cards are telling regarding how you need to nurture yourself. Connect with fire. Oh my god, you have all 3 fire cards. Okay, wands represent the fire element, and you have got connect with fire. So yes, as I said, some of you are going to light candles, or some of you may even do fire rituals like yajna. Okay, but yes, there is going to be a requirement to work with fire. Okay, I feel a lot of cleansing is also required. You can see my playlist, and in that we have a separate playlist for protection. You can check the videos out there. Let's see the blessings coming your way. A blessing for healing of injury or illness, and the same, I think one of the pile also got the same card. So yes, a lot of emotional healing is going to happen in the week ahead, and yes, overall healing as well. And there is going to be peace. Even though you got the 10 of wands card, I do see peace coming your way in the week ahead. Let's see your love message. Time apart. So over here, I feel if you're single, it may so happen that you have been talking to someone, or you have been connecting with someone, and your mind is clouded. Okay, whether to go ahead, not to go ahead, or maybe their mind is clouded. So take some time out and see how the time apart is making you feel about them, and they feel about you. In case if you are in a relationship or you are married, give your partner some space. Okay, and if you require space, just ask your partner to let you have some space. Okay, let's see what your Archangel Michael message is. Ask Archangel Michael to help you with the situation. So clearly, as I said, the connect with fire thing also. So Archangel Michael's energy is very fiery, okay? And that's why you also got connect with the fire card. So you need to take Archangel's Michael help to cleanse your home, to cleanse your aura. You just need to say, dear God, Goddess, Archangel Michael, please remove all kinds of negativity and replace it with positivity. And just say this, okay? Say this and you will feel a difference. Just light a candle and just say, dear God, Goddess, Archangel Michael, replace everything negative in my home, in my life, in my mind, body and soul with positivity. This or better, thank you. I'm also hearing that some of you had lit a purple or a blue candle in front of Archangel Michael. The changes coming your way is moving, okay? And interestingly, you did get the Knight of Wands as well. So yes, there is going to be a movement in your life in the week ahead. Some of you will change jobs, home in the week ahead, okay? So a lot of movement happening, guys, in the week ahead. Maybe you will move from one phase of your life into another, and some of you, as I said, could literally move home or jobs as well. Let's see your health message. Exercise is the key, and again over here you did get the card of moving, and also you have got connect with fire. So obviously when you exercise, you tend to your temperature increases and you start sweating, right, to cool your body. So again, the fire element has to be inculcated in your health as well. So exercise is important, very important in the week ahead to ensure good health. Surrender stubbornness. All right. So at times we are like my way or the highway, but that doesn't really work. So it's important that you are fluid and flexible, and you just practice letting go in the week ahead. That will definitely help you. Let's see what else you need to surrender. Surrender worry. See how beautifully the cards are in sync with each other. You got the 10 of Wands card, which means a lot of stress due to overworking. So such situation can also lead to a lot of anxiety. You also got the element of moving. So when you are moving, there's some movement happening in your life. It can cause a lot of worry. However, when we let go of worry, when we surrender worry, all right, we are inviting peace in our life. So every time you let go of the habit of worrying, you're inviting more calmness into your life. So you need to exchange worry for peace, my friends. All right. Now let's see what your finances are telling us. Successful funding. So I feel that some of you are going to receive some sort of unexpected amount. It could be a cash gift, it could be some sort of support from a family or a friend. Also, some of you have this idea going on into your mind, and you need some financial support for that idea. So that will come. A successful funding means that yes, there is going to be a financial support given to you in the week ahead. I feel that some of you are worried about your child's education, okay, like the fees for your child's education. You're wondering how you're going to manage, how it is going to be. So the cards are asking you to not worry, and everything is going to be all right. I also feel some of you are worried about some of you want your child to go outside of the country that you are living in for further education, and you're worried about the entire process. So don't worry, everything is in divine hands, and the divine is taking care of everything, okay? So don't worry at all. But a lot of fire in your card, guys. Lots of fire element. You got 3 wand cards, connect with fire. So I feel staying hydrated is also going to be very, very important. You need to ensure that you are not over drinking water or not being dehydrated. But water is a key element. I also feel some of you need to let go of clutter. Very clearly, you need to let go of clutter. There is a lot of clutter in your house, especially what I'm getting is basement area or under the stairs or in closets. So you need to clean that. I can literally see a space where things are just dumped. All right, you need to clean that space and create something beautiful out there. I see that that space could be very good for you to just sit and write down your thoughts in a journal or something. So you need to create a sacred space for yourself wherein you can just unwind and relax and have that me time. All right, group 3, your cards were beautiful. I hope you enjoyed your pick a card reading. So I will see you next week. Bye bye. Take care.